We want to give a special thanks to Breyer for partnering with us to make this video. What's up, y'all? I'm Toya from MyFroggyStuff and a long-time Breyer fan. Today I'm going to share with you some of my favorite Breyer Craft products. There's a variety of Breyer Craft and activity kits. Look, I'm even on the packaging. On the back of each one, we can scan the QR code and get crafty. Fantasy Horses Paint and Play. Ooh, this is exciting. Look at those paint colors. In this kit, we get to paint our very own fantasy horses. We get 4 horses, 1 full, a paintbrush, and 6 paints. On the back of the box, it says, horses come in many different colors. Pick your favorite color to paint your dream horses. We can decorate, play, and display. Let's take everything out of the box. To see our 4 horses, the foal, the paints, and the brush. And I've gathered a few supplies from home, like water, paper towels, a paint palette or paper plates to mix paints, clear nail polish if we want to make the eyes shine, and if we choose, we can use a clear drying sealant to protect our project when we're all done. Now let's get started. I think I want to paint this model first. Yeah, let's do this one. And I'm gonna go with the green paint. Get a little paint on the brush, then apply it to the horse. I'm doing a nice even coat because I do not want to see those brush strokes when I'm done. Even though this is a fantasy horse, we can still give it real horse markings like stockings, socks, even dapples. Allow it to dry between coats. I'm gonna add another coat of paint. Now I'm going to paint the mane and tail blue. Then I mix a little bit of green and blue to lightly dry brush the horse and add a little shadow. And I really want that color to get into the creases. Then I go over it again with a little green for highlights. And I'm gonna dry brush the mane and tail with just a little green. And it just helps to make everything flow together. Then I paint the eyes black to finish my fantasy horse. And since this kit gives us different horses, we can try out different colors. I painted this horse pink, and I'm adding shadow to the crevices using a deep purple that I made by mixing the pink and the blue. Then we add a little more pink to fade those colors. And I'm dry brushing the white tail with a little bit of pink to finish another horse. Let's try painting one black. Then let's dry brush on a little blue, a little pink, and a little purple. Flick a little bit of that purple paint onto the horse to look like stars. And if you're gonna use a splattering technique, you might want to make sure you have an extra brush to make a galaxy horse. So I made a couple of gradient colored horses and a galaxy horse. We can always take it a step further and add more detail to our horses. I'm taking a piece of tulle and I'm gonna lay it on the horse. Take a little metallic paint, tap the paint over the tulle, trying not to move it, to add a few scales to our horse. Use white paint to make a few stars on our galaxy horse for a little extra fun. And we can glue a magnet to the back of the horse to turn our fantasy horses into magnets. However you choose to decorate your fantasy horses, be sure to have fun and get creative. To learn more about Breyer and the real horses who inspire us, visit the Breyer website at www.breyerhorses.com. And we will see you next time. Bye!